What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could put an extra $300 in your bank account without getting a second job and without cutting out the things that you enjoy doing? Now in this video, I'll show you exactly how to save $300 in just 30 days with proven money hacks that actually works in 2025. Let's get started.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad to have you here. If you're new here, then allow me to introduce what we're all about. We talk about real, actionable ways to save money and even make money online, providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to achieve your financial goals. So, if you want to grow your savings, boost your income this year, and take control of your financial future, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Today, I'm breaking down 5 practical, easy-to-implement steps that you can take right now to save $300 in just 30 days. And the best part? You can achieve this without adding any extra work hours to your already busy schedule. These are simple strategies that fit seamlessly into your daily life. You can't save what you don't measure. It's like trying to navigate a maze blindfolded. The first and arguably most crucial step is to meticulously track every single dollar you spend for the next 30 days. Every coffee, every subscription, every impulse, buy, document it all. This isn't about judgment, it's about awareness. Thankfully, you don't need to be an accountant to do this. Use free and user-friendly apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple Google Sheet if you prefer a more hands-on approach. The key is consistency. Once you see in black and white where your money is actually going, you'll be shocked. You'll inevitably spot wasteful expenses and spending patterns you didn't even realize you had. These are the financial leaks we're going to plug. For example, one subscriber, Sarah from Ohio, found she was spending an astonishing $60 a month on food delivery fees alone, ordering in out of convenience several times a week. But just by committing to cooking twice a week, simple meals like pasta or stir fries, she effortlessly cut that expense in half. That's $30 back in her pocket, just from a small change in habit. We all sign up for free trials or subscribe to services we might use someday, and then promptly forget all about them. These forgotten subscriptions are silent money drains. Use tools like Rocket Money or Truebill to automatically find and identify these recurring charges and then ruthlessly cancel any unused or underutilized subscriptions. That gym membership you haven't used in 4 months despite your best intentions? Gone. That premium app you signed up for on a whim and then completely forgot about? Cancel it immediately. Don't let these companies profit from your forgetfulness. What's the average savings from this simple exercise? $15 to $50 a month, and often much more, without making any drastic changes to your lifestyle at all. It's low-hanging financial fruit, ripe for the picking. This next hack is one of my personal favorites, and it works every single time, regardless of your income or spending habits. Take out exactly what you realistically plan to spend for the week in cash, and consciously leave your credit and debit cards safely at home. Why does this seemingly simple trick work so effectively? Because physically handing over cash creates a tangible sense of loss. It hurts a little bit. And that slight discomfort will make you think twice, maybe even 3 times before making those tempting impulse buys. For an extra layer of control and awareness, use the classic cash envelope method. Clearly label each envelope with a specific spending category: groceries, transport, fun money, dining out. This visual system helps you stay within your budget for each category and prevents overspending. It's easy to underestimate the impact of small daily purchases, But these seemingly insignificant expenses add up dramatically over the course of 30 days. For example, instead of buying a fancy latte every morning for $4 or more, brew your own coffee at home for just 50 cents a cup. Similarly, instead of frequently ordering expensive takeout, dedicate a couple of hours each week to cook a few easy and healthy meals in bulk. Store them in containers for quick and convenient lunches and dinners throughout the week. Simply swapping takeout for delicious home-cooked meals just 3 nights a week can easily save you $80 to $100 a month. That's already a significant portion, potentially a third or more of your overall savings goal. Finally, take a good, hard look around your home for things you no longer use, need, or even want. Clutter isn't just visually distracting, it's often a sign of untapped financial potential. Take some clear photos and list these items on popular online marketplaces like Facebook, Marketplace, eBay, or OfferUp. That old smartphone gathering dust in a drawer, that tablet you haven't touched in years, or that bicycle you never ride could easily get you $50 to $150, or even more in just a few days. As an example, one viewer recently shared that they made an impressive $220 in a single weekend simply by selling clothes they hadn't worn in years. It's a win-win. You declutter your home and boost your savings simultaneously. So here's the challenge we're laying down for you. It's simple, effective, and anyone can do it. First, meticulously track your spending to understand where your money is actually going. Second, cancel those unused subscriptions that are silently draining your bank account each month. Third, try using cash for your daily expenses to become more mindful of each purchase. Fourth, embrace the DIY spirit by making your own coffee and meals. And finally, sell those unused items cluttering your home. Turn them into cash. Follow these simple yet powerful steps consistently for 30 days, and you'll likely find yourself with $300 extra in your pocket. This is achievable without taking on a second job, and most importantly, without feeling deprived or sacrificing the things you truly enjoy. If you're ready to start this journey towards financial wellness and take control of your finances, type "I'm in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community where we can all hold each other accountable and celebrate our progress together.
If this video helped you learn something, imagine what you'll learn next time. So subscribe if you haven't, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.